Hi everyone, thank you for joining my channel. My name is Michael. Today I'm going to go through how to use filters. So filters in Excel are very useful because they're great for breaking up data into smaller chunks and just looking at the bits that you want to see. So what you do is the first thing is you highlight the columns that you want to filter, and then what you do is you click on data and then we click on filter. So once you click on filter, notice there's all these little arrows next to the heading. So say if we just want to look at the data for Australia, we can click on this little drop down arrow, we unselect everything and we just select Australia. So now we click OK, it's only showing sales for Australia. Now we can, to unselect this, we click on the little drop down arrow again and we can go clear, and it brings back what we had before. So it doesn't actually delete anything. All it does is just hide what we don't want to see. So say we want to look at sales, but we can look at sales for, say, only items over $7,000. So we click the little drop down arrow, we click number filters, and we could say greater than. So if we type 7,000 and we go OK, and see it's only showing sales over $7,000. So to unselect this, say we we had a number of these filters, and say we've got product filtered as well, and then we're only looking at, say, nuts and screws, and we go okay. So now we've got two filters. Instead of unfiltering one at a time, one option is you click on data and you could click clear. So next to filter there's clear. So if we click clear, it just unfilters everything in one hit. Okay, so filters also lets you sort. So here we could sort by sales, and we could say largest to smallest, and we just select largest to smallest. Or we could select country and we could go alphabetical A to Z. So we just select A to Z. So that's another option of filtering. Thank you for joining me. See you later. Remember to click subscribe and like.